Hi, in this video, I will be unboxing and presenting the ICY USB 3.0 enclosure for 3.5-inch SATA hard drives. Under the user manual, we find the main unit itself. One layer below, the accessories are stored: a stand, data cable, power adapter, screws, and more paperwork. Oh, and an extra screwdriver. The user manual shows the installation process with pictures in multiple languages. But we won't need that since I'm here. Some additional warnings and a product recommendation as well. The screws come in a paper packet, which is nice. The data cable is a USB 3.0 Type B cable, not USB-C, because for some reason the USB-C version costs twice as much. So we're left with this monster connector. The cable quality is fine, just a bit overly bulky. The power adapter even has a Velcro cable tie, which is great. The quality is good, but the cable is too short in my opinion. It can output 12 volts, 2 amps. Here's the stand, which unfortunately doesn't have any rubber feet at all, so extra caution is needed. On the bottom of the device, there's an information label, and on the back, there's a switch and the ports. The front panel is protected by a film. Unfortunately, I already noticed a fitting issue. It's just a cosmetic flaw, but it can be annoying. After removing the 2 screws on the back, the device can be taken apart. The internal electronics are surprisingly simpler than I expected, but it does its job. There's only one cable running to the status LED. I'll be using a Western Digital hard drive for testing. After placing it inside, proper fastening is important. After that, the device can be reassembled. Its operation is relatively quiet. It doesn't amplify the hard drive noise in an annoying way. It can also be used horizontally without the stand. Here's a speed test. All in all, I'm satisfied with the product and I can recommend it, if you don't mind that it's not USB-C.